The performance of Building Products Australia was resilient in the first half, despite a decline in building activity. We are benefiting from a more focused portfolio following the exit of brick manufacturing in Western Australia and the closure of Austral Precast in recent years. During the period, we also consolidated Austral Bricks and Austral Masonry into one operating division, restructured Bristile Roofing and rationalised our divisional support teams. In North America, we were pleased to achieve a strong increase in EBITDA of $21 million, up 43% on the prior period. We're starting to realise the benefits of our plant rationalisation and upgrade program, whilst on the sales front we are experiencing increasing demand from our customers, particularly across the Northeast and the Midwest. Within property, operational highlights included a solid increase in gross rent from our trusts, up by 17% on the back of strong market conditions and the completion of new facilities. We also secured development approval and a large anchor tenant at our new Oakdale East Stage 2 estate in Western Sydney. I'd like to thank our almost 1,900 strong team for their ongoing collaboration, innovation and contribution during the period. Thank you.